Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video, we are discussing a problem on circles chapter. Here is a question. The question says, chord of length 24 centimeter, chord of length 24 centimeter intersects the diameter AB in the ratio of 9:1. Chord CD of length 24 centimeter intersects a chord AB in the ratio 9:1. Find the length of the diameter. We need to find the value of AB. AB is the diameter here. This is the question asked. Let us now see how we will be able to answer this question. In order to give you, the picture is a little smaller here. Therefore, I have drawn a figure for you, a bigger figure. Watch this carefully. Here is a circle. CD is the chord. CD value is equal to 24 centimeter. And AB is the diameter. CD intersects AB at E such that AE is to EB. AE is to EB is equal to 9:1. It is 9:1 here. Keeping this in mind, we will have to now proceed. AEC is a right angle triangle. Similarly, BEC is a right angle triangle. We will apply Pythagoras theorem to both of these two triangles separately and then compare the things or whatever we require. We possibly require addition of these two sides because ACB is a is an angle in semicircle which is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this angle becomes 90 degree. That will explain in the further stage. First, let us begin with this. Let AE is equal to x because here AE is 9 times of x and BE is 1 time of x. Therefore, AE is equal to, we have taken it to be 9x and BE is equal to x. Join BC and AC. I have deliberately used green color and dotted line to just join them to show you that construction is done. Fine. AB and CD intersect at right angles and therefore CE and ED, both of these two become equal, that is 12 centimeter. This is very, very important. In this figure, diameter passes through the midpoint of the chord and hence it is a right angle here. And now this is of course a given. It is right angle that is given itself and therefore it is not a problem. And since it intersect at right angles, it becomes two parts, that is chord becomes two parts. Therefore, C is equal to 12 centimeter and ED is equal to 12 centimeter. Fine. So, C is equal to ED is equal to 12 centimeter. In triangle AEC, again I will refer to the figure. In triangle AEC, AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. Here, because Pythagoras theorem, we will write that. AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. AE square is nothing but we have taken it to be here. AE is equal to 9x and hence we will write 9x square plus 12 square, that is 81x square plus 144. Then similarly we can also take in this figure, this side is also 90 degree here and hence it becomes BC square is equal to BE square plus CE square. That is, we have in the BC square is equal to CE square plus BE square. CE is nothing but 12 that is this value has become 12 centimeter, and plus this value is x square, 12 square plus x square. Now what we got is AC square and BC square. That is, in the figure we got AC square and BC square. But ABC is a triangle in the semicircle. Therefore, angle in the semicircle is always 90 degree. That is, this angle now can be treated as 90 degree. Since this is 90 degree, AB become hypotenuse and AC and BC become other two sides of the right angle triangle ACB. And hence we write in our, this is AC square, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is, we will write hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is what we have written here. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square, that is, the diameter is 9x is to 1x, therefore total it becomes 10x, and hence we have written 10x square. AC square we have already obtained in the above, in the previous sheet, that we shall see here. AC square is equal to 81x square plus 144 and BC square is equal to 12 square plus x square. That we will take here, 81x square plus 144 plus x square plus 144. 10x whole square is 100x square, 81x square and 1x square, 82x square, 144 and 144, it become 2 into 144. 2 times 144 is 144 plus 144. Therefore, simplification gives us 100x square minus 82x square is equal to 2 into 144. 18x square equal to 2 into 144. X square is equal to 2 into 144 divided by 18. Therefore, x square equal to 16, and this indicates that x is equal to 4. But what we have taken is, again go back to our figure, AB is nothing but 10x. Therefore, diameter AB is equal to 10x, that's equal to 10 into 4 equal to 40 centimeter. Dear friends, you are all preparing for the examination during COVID time. Please stay safe, stay at home. Wish you happy learning through our YouTube channel Kota Maths Lab. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to get the notification every day and enjoy mathematics at free of cost. All the best to you. Happy learning again.